Hi guys, so in this video we're gonna discuss about, are you struggling to English? Please the try this, I think you will be achieved. So like there's so many people are they're trying to speak English, they're consuming so many content but they can't speak the English. So uh, um, the the reason is that there are they're consuming the lot, they haven't put on the practice. So hereafter speak with me, like together we are the learning the English also. If you have any idea, please let me know in the comment section. I will the use it because of so many people are consuming the content like the tenses and the grammatical. There are the learning the lot of things, but they can't speak. So instead of that, you using the everyday like the simple sentence. Like if so many people are they they want using the simple sentence. So it is the makes difference between the fluent people and the not fluent people, because of if the fluent people they are using the so many simple words like example like then, after, and hereafter. So these are the simple sentence they are using. Like if the everyday you use the daily sentence. So if you are the morning wake up, yeah, I am here wake up. So after that, the what we are doing after that, we we go we go to the brush our teeth. So simply that after that we gonna take a breakfast. So after if you eating the breakfast, yeah, I am eating the breakfast. After that, if you going to work or if you going to the school or college, you should tell yourself, yeah, I go to the college, I will go to the school, I will go to my office. So these are the simple sentence. And also, if you speaking with your friends, are you come, are you came with me? If you ask him, if you ask him with your friends, it is makes helpful, I think. And also, I mentioned like these are the videos you will take. So I think after that you have I take that, I eat food, I take a breakfast, I will go outside. So this kind of the simple sentence you may use that is makes helpful, I think. So every day at least the 5 to 6 maximum you learn the simple sentence. It is makes different also, I think. So it makes the simple sentence because of if you using so many simple sentence, ignore your the mother tongue, I think. It is the be patient also. Don't wait for the perfect time. It is the never came. And also instead of if you go to somewhere, like if you visited some of the outside of the kids, the park, I will go to the park. I am in the park. Are you came? Like I will call you. I will call you later. If you speaking your friends like that. And also using the so many simple words there, like I am leaving now because of I have some work. So what kind of words are there? So do you have any work? Ask the question with your friends, and also you answer it. Like yeah, I have some work. I go to some books read. I have the homework. So these kind of the simple words, yeah, you can make it, yeah, you can use it. After that, you will achieve the fluency, I think. And also in this video, only the simple sentence framing and how to use it, how to make it different in their real life. The using the daily conversation between the everyone, that is the easily fluency come automatically, I think. So be patient and practice every day. It is makes it important. So thank you for the watching in this video. And if you like, please click on the like and please comment. Please let me know in the comment section. If I any made a mistake, please let me know. I will correct the next video after that. So thank you for watching this video. Okay.